Okay.
Birds by Lisa Murray. Table of contents. Birds, some kind of birds. Glossary, index. Birds. Birds live everywhere. Jill sees a bird everywhere. Jill sees a bird in a tree. Bah! I even know I saw a bird in the My Little Pony movie. Part 6, Breaking Down. But it says, bah! The ship is still shaking. Bah! Her name is Rainbow Dash, and she's not a parrot. But hatch from eggs. Robin's eggs are blue.
Does it egg?
Ooh, robin. Cool robin eggs. All birds have feathers. Peacock has long feathers. Ah!
So beautiful.
She's so beautiful. But I don't love like cool eyes. Like an eyeballs.
Have you seen peacock?
I take a picture from a peacock for a while at the zoo park. Even I go to the new place that I saw to go to
Safari.
the safari, and I saw so many birds in there. There are so much to see. All birds have wings. Most birds can fly. Do you know most birds that you're thinking of? But they actually are birds. Ostriches and flamingos. They're actually birds. They have wings, but they don't fly. Even taking the edge of baby flamingo, an ostrich. Or mostly my favorite. Which bird is your favorite?
Flamingo.
Wow, it's a bright pink animal. Look at those birds. Birds can be many colors. Cardinals are red. Look at all the cardinals. My favorite bird is I like an ostrich.
Ostrich?
Yes, because an ostrich can poke us. But that's okay. Stay away from the ostrich. We'll let her look. Even kangaroos, my favorite animal. They can hop like a bunny. But my favorite animal is just rabbits or giraffes. What is your favorite pony?
Pinkie Pie.
You know, even I have welcomed one more pony into Ponyville. Little Heights. And Hoop
Keep reading. Ở đâu rồi? Không mở à? Ai mở ấy? Okay.
Birds eat insects and worms. Some may eat mice and fish. Birds build nests. They use tools and grass. They're building the nest. Birds can be big or small. The bees, hummingbirds, are the smallest birds ever.
Bees.
Which my favorite bird is a hummingbird. You know that bird has tail feathers because they use their wings to fly fast. And they actually use their tail feathers to slow down. Then they stop. That's why they slow down. What do you like about birds? I like about birds because they eat mice. Okay, that is cool. Cool, man. Wait, I already know one of my favorite pictures. There's one of my parents sitting on my top of my hat.
Đúng rồi.
Even you.
Ở đâu nhỉ? Bức ảnh nó chụp ở đâu nhỉ?
I don't know where.
Rainbow.
Land and some kind of birds. I'm part of penguins, but they have wings. They don't fly. They slide their bellies to fly.
They swim.
They actually swim like a polar bears. Toucans are my favorite birds.
Toucan have long.
A long beak, but they can change their colors. And even see one of my favorite animals. It changed to like black. Then they started to make a hide. Cool. Green horned owl. Woodcut pika. It's a pika that can cut wood in the forest.
Yeah.
I never seen that. I never go to the rainforest before. Lossy and dark in there, but I actually know there's a tons of birds there to see. There's even sharks in one. Hatch, break to open and come out. Woods, small branches usually will about the blade. Insects. I like animals, both in the series.